Friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say thanks to watching for this video. This video I am going to explain how to enter data entry in Excel through Excel form. Now let's begin. Go here and go to Excel options. Then click on customize. Here select all comments. Now select form, F-O-R-M form. Form is here. Just click to select, then click on add. That's it. Okay, now the form is here. You can see here. Now what I am going to do is I am going to copy this entire thing in new sheet. Here I am pasting. Then this is the thing. This content I am going to fill in form. Now go here, next sheet. Here already I have pasted this columns. Now click on this form. Okay. Now I am here, enter 001. I am entering ROM and co in name of the account. Then item I am entering laptop. Quantity here I am entering 2 numbers. Price is 25,000. Total comes 50,000. Right? See, the entry has been updated. Now another entry 002. Here I am entering Sam and Co. The quantity I am enter 30 numbers. Sorry, this item is a mouse. Mouse 10 numbers. Rate is 300. Total comes 3000. Enter. See, one more entry 003. Vikram and Co. Vikram Trading. Keyboard. Item is keyboard. Quantity is 5 numbers. Price is 800. 5 into 800 is 4000. That's it. Now one more entry. Here Natarajan. N-A-T-A-R-A-J-N. Natarajan. Sorry, invoice number 004. Natarajan. R-A-J-N. Desktop. I am selling desktop 2 numbers to him in the price of 4,000, 45,000 each. Total comes 90,000. Okay, that's fine. This is the way you have to fill the data through this form. I am closing now. After closing, once you have to go to fill next day, again go here. Please mind it, here you have to keep the cursor here. Then click on this new 006, say 5, ABC, item, mouse, 2 numbers, at rate of 300, that comes 6,100. Enter. Okay, this is the way you have to fill the data entry in Excel through the form. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends. I think it is very useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.